Have you ever been turned down for a checking or savings account? If so, you likely know about Chexsystem. This consumer reporting agency tracks banking issues, including overdrafts and suspected fraud under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Negative items can stay on your report for 5 years or more. Most banks use this report to decide on your application. However, many are now moving away from relying on Chexsystem. Let's explore credit unions that don't use Chexsystem. They offer excellent options for those struggling to open accounts due to their past banking history. First, we have Consumers Credit Union. This credit union offers their rewards checking account with up to 5.00% APY on balances up to $10,000 when certain activity requirements are met. Plus, you get unlimited ATM fee reimbursements and no monthly fees. This is a fantastic option if you've faced issues with traditional banks. Next up is Navy Federal Credit Union. If you or a family member has served in the military, this is a superb choice. Their free everyday checking account has no monthly fees or balance requirements. Members gain access to over 300 branches and numerous ATMs across the country. America First Credit Union is another great option. This Utah-based institution provides free checking and savings accounts. Their classic checking account features no monthly fees, online banking, and access to 30,000 ATMs nationwide. PenFed Credit Union comes next. Known for its free checking accounts, you can manage everything online or via their mobile app. Their Get Paid Early option lets you receive your money up to 2 days sooner with direct deposit. Then we have American Airlines Credit Union. Their Ascend checking account has no monthly service charge and provides unlimited ATM access. It also features mobile banking capabilities to make managing your finances easier. Southwest Financial Federal Credit Union offers fully virtual services and a 100% digital experience. Members can log in online, view accounts and pay bills, all from home. Texas Trust Credit Union has different checking options without monthly service fees. Members can access thousands of fee-free ATMs nationwide and benefit from online banking features. Staley Credit Union focuses on those with problematic banking histories. Their Renew checking account offers free access to over 30,000 ATMs and requires a $50 deposit. Premier America Credit Union provides financial services across California and Texas. Their Fresh Start checking account is designed for those turned away by other institutions. Delta Community Credit Union, headquartered in Atlanta, emphasizes transparency and member-centric services. Their checking accounts have no monthly fees and modern digital banking features. Hope Credit Union serves 5 southern states, offering the Easy Checking account. It's designed for first-time users and requires only a modest minimum balance. Tower Federal Credit Union provides access to free checking accounts with no monthly fees. Their Early Pay feature allows members to receive payments a day early. If credit unions don't meet your needs, consider banks that also don't use Chexsystem. SoFi offers hassle-free banking with no overdraft fees and an impressive APY. Current allows building credit without a credit check. Lastly, Chime is a popular option without monthly fees, letting users access their money 2 days early. If you've been denied due to a Chexsystem report, don't lose hope. Many great credit unions and banks will allow you to open an account without consulting Chexsystem. Doing so can help you manage your finances better. For more insights, check our list of second chance checking accounts to find the right fit for you. Remember, maintaining good banking habits can assist in improving your Chexsystem report over time. Start taking control of your financial future today.